What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to slow down a video in DaVinci Resolve. So firstly what we need to do is to add our video to the timeline. We're going to click on it to select it, then we're going to drag it to the timeline like so. As you can see, this video is about people running a marathon. So what we want to do to slow it down is firstly to select it by clicking on it. Then you're going to go in top right corner to video tab, and here you're going to scroll down till you see speed change, on which you're going to click. Then down below you will have change speed. Now it's set on 100, which means that the video is running at normal speed, as you can see. But if we decrease this number to 50, let's say, the video will be slowed down, as you can see now. Also, you can decrease the number even more if you want to slow it down further. So now will be really slow. So as simple as this, you can slow down a video in DaVinci Resolve. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like.